Watson? No. Is we gonna go outside snow? I think Watson's one under the thing. I don't know. But I don't want to. Watson, you're the one who stole your mother's on the way around and give me the food, so that's your issue. You're gonna deal with the consequences. Anyway, I'm going to say, Watson, I can't reach it, okay? Dog doesn't understand this thing about life. I seem to understand. I can't reach it, so I can't get it for you, sweetie. Anyways, this is a snow video, and it's a vlog, so. Yeah, but also, as a snow video, and I have, like, to get something on my computer, just like that. Chat with people. Okay, Discord. Go chat with people. Okay, friends. Tell friends and people. I'm gonna go to Discord right after I go. Well, I'll try to. How much I get in like half an hour or so, because I still have to edit today's vlog. So, well, like 4 or 5 minutes. So, let's get it outside in the snow and the cold. I'll stay out here a while. They haven't treated the roads at all, so. Yeah, it's like right here, it's like a slight little dust in there. Well, somebody's coming. Wait. Yeah, I'm getting a good inch. A little more than an inch. Oh, gotta be careful. Some ice below. It isn't that cold. It's that tonight's low is like 10 degrees. Oh, and there's somebody else. At least they're going through. Yeah, trying to be slow on this. Good inch on the roads. We can't treat it because the car would freeze. We'll get on the snow up here. Snowflakes taste delicious. Oh, one just landed in my eye. Don't look up. I'm not looking up. I'm just filming. Oh. There we go. Oh, somebody's coming. I'm on the little bit of land, so cars would be talking about over here. Oh, well, good. So my hands are cold. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, just with all your friends, and yeah, peace out. No ads, no cuts.